Dreaming of launching your own WordPress website but worried about upfront costs? Today, we're diving into how you can snag a free domain name to get your online presence started. That's right, you can absolutely build your dream WordPress site without spending a dime on your domain name initially. We'll explore 2 powerful methods to achieve this. Our first strategy involves leveraging promotional offers from web hosting providers. Many reputable hosts offer a free domain name for the first year when you sign up for one of their hosting plans. This is a fantastic way to get both your hosting and domain sorted at zero extra cost. To do this, you'll need to research hosting companies that include a free domain with their packages. Look for deals that specifically mention a complimentary domain registration for a year. Once you choose a plan and proceed to checkout, the option to register your free domain will typically be presented. Our second method involves utilizing free domain services. While these might not give you a custom com address, they offer a completely free subdomain, which is perfect for testing the waters or for simpler personal projects. For example, services like Freedom allow you to register domain names with extensions like DK, ML, or got no cost. It's important to note that these domains might have certain limitations and are generally best suited for getting started rather than for long-term professional branding. Once you have your free domain, you can then link it to your WordPress installation. This process is straightforward and allows you to start building your website content and design right away. So there you have it, 2 proven ways to get a free domain name and launch your WordPress website without any initial domain expenses. Go ahead, start building your online dream today.